Hello students, I am Deepali Patil, your maths teacher from Sri Nathrao Kulka Talent School, Muktai Nagar. In this section, we are going to study new chapter, triangles. So in earlier classes, you have already seen the congruent figures. Okay, so if you are going to take two figures, these two figures are congruent with each other. How can you say that these two figures are congruent? Or if you are going to take the example of triangle, then you can say that two triangles are congruent with each other. Okay, how can you say that these two triangles are congruent with each other? They have same they have same size. Okay, if the two figures have same size, then we can say that these two figures are congruent with each other. Okay, for example, if we are going to take this example of square. Okay, so suppose this is a square. Okay, this is our square. So these two squares are congruent with each other. Okay, a b c d is a square and p q r s is a square. So these two, so ABCD is congruent with square ABCD is congruent with square PQRS. How can you say that if their corresponding sides are equal? Okay, means AB having 4 centimeter is equal to PQ having 4 centimeter. Means when its corresponding sides are equal with each other, then we can say that then we can say that these two figures are congruent with each other, or their corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so in this section we have to see the similar figures. Okay, so what do you mean by similar figures then? Okay, so see these figures. Okay, these figures are see this is a circle. Okay, so in the first figure circles are given to us. Okay, circles with different radius. Okay, circles with different radius. Okay, so this circle have different radius and this circle have again different radius. Okay, so suppose this circle have radius 2 centimeter and this circle have radius 1 centimeter, then these two figures are congruent? Obviously not. These two figures are not congruent. Okay, when we can say that these two figures are congruent? Then having the same radius. Okay, if these two figures have the same radius, then and only then we can say that these two circles are congruent with each other. Okay, so what about these two circles then? Okay, so these two circles are similar. Okay, similar circles or similar figures. Okay, so these two figures are similar. Okay, so similar figure means what? They two similar figures have the same shape but not necessarily the same size. Okay, so these two figures have same shape, they have same shape. Okay, these two figures have same shape but not necessarily the same size. Okay, means if this circle have radius 2 centimeter and this circle have radius 1 centimeter, then these two figures are similar figures but they are not congruent. Okay, for congruency we need both the figures have the same size. Okay, means both these circles have the same radius. Okay, then and only then these two figures are congruent. Okay, so remember this thing, congruent figures are similar figures but similar figures are not congruent figures. Okay, so congruent figures are similar. See that all congruent figures are similar but similar figures are need not be congruent. Okay, so again this square. Okay, again see this figure, second figure. In this figure squares are given to us. Okay, so this first square, suppose the figure is like this. Okay, the figure is like this. Two squares are there. Okay, A, B, C, D, and then P, Q, R, S. Okay, so 2. Okay, so this smaller square has all the sides have 2 centimeter. Okay, and this have 3, and this figure have all the sides are of equal length, that is 3 centimeter. Okay, so these two figures are congruent? Obviously not. These two figures are not congruent because they having same shape but not same size. Okay, so they have same shape but their size are different. Okay, this square, this smaller square has all its sides are of equal length of 2 centimeter and its sides are of 3 centimeter. Okay, so these two figures are not congruent but these two figures are similar figures. Okay, these two figures are again similar figures. Okay, so this is the one point. Okay, and again these two triangles are similar figures. These two figures are similar figures but they are not congruent. Okay, for congruency we need the angles, corresponding angles are equal, and again the sides are of equal length. Both the figures have the sides are of equal length. Okay, so this is all about our similar figures. Again, the next definition of similar figure is, see, similar figures are one day two polygons. Okay, so these are the two polygons. Two polygons having the same number of sides. Okay, same number of sides but more than 3. That is figures other than triangles. Okay, so in similar figures we need the figures that are other than triangle. Okay, so are similar. Okay, so two polygons having the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Okay, if their corresponding angles are equal with each other, and second is their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay, so this is the important definition for us similar of the similar figure, that two polygons having the same number of sides. See, these are the two polygons. Okay, obviously these are similar figures. How can we say that similar figure? Because they have same shape. Okay, they have same shape, but they do not have same size. Okay, but they have same shape. So these two figures are similar figures. So two polygons having the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. If their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay, so now tally this. Okay, so first condition is what? Their corresponding angles are equal. See, angle A. Angle A is corresponding angle is angle P. Okay, corresponding angle of angle B is angle Q. Corresponding angle C is angle R. Because why we are saying that? Because angle A is of measure 105 degree and angle P is of measure 105 degree. So angle A is equal to angle P is equal to 105 degree. Okay, if first condition is satisfied, then we can say that these two figures are similar. Okay, now and after some verifying this first condition, we have to verify the second condition. If both the conditions are verified, then and only then we can say that these two figures are similar figures. Otherwise they are not similar figures. Okay, so angle A is equal to angle P is equal to 105 degree. Then angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 100 degree. Okay, then angle C is equal to angle R is equal to 70 degree. Then angle D is equal to angle S is equal to 85 degree. Okay, so corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so what about their sides then? This is the first condition. If second condition is satisfied, then these two figures are similar. Otherwise they are not. Okay, so second condition is what? Again their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay, so corresponding side of AB is PQ. Okay, so ratio, again what is given to us? Ratio is given. Ratio, okay, same means ratio of AB and PQ, means AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to DC upon SR is equal to AD upon PS. If these all ratios are equal, then and only then we can say that these two figures are similar. Okay, so first condition is what? Remember this thing. We need all this definition in all over the chapter. So remember this thing. Okay, this is important to us. Similar figures means what then? If their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal, and second condition is their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Means their ratio, corresponding sides ratio must be equal. Okay. So angles are, so first condition is satisfied. Now what about second condition then? Okay, so AB upon PQ, if they are equal, then and only then we can say that they are similar. So if you first take the ratio AB upon PQ, so AB upon PQ is equal to 1.5 upon PQ is 3.0. Okay, and this is 1 upon 2. Now second is BC upon QR, which is equal to BC upon QR. BC is 2.5 upon QR. QR is 5.0, and again here 2.1 was the 2.1, 2.1 to the 5.0 means 1/2 again. Okay, try to solve yourself. This is known to you. Okay, now next is CD or DC upon RS or SR. Sorry, CD upon RS is equal to CD is what? 2.4 upon, this is 4.8. Again this is 1/2. Okay, and again AD upon PS is equal to, AD is 2.1 centimeter upon PS is 4.2, which is equal to again 1/2. Okay, so C AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to, all these ratios are 1/2. Okay, so our second condition is again verified. Okay, all these ratios are equal. Okay, so in this way similar figure means what? Their corresponding angles are equal. Okay, corresponding angles are equal, and the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay, their ratio must be equal. So this is the condition for similar figure. So remember this thing, because we need this thing all over the chapter. So the given figure means given quadrilateral ABCD is similar with quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, so we can say that quadrilateral ABCD is similar with quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, so this is the symbol of similarity. Okay, this is the symbol of similarity. Okay, this symbol. this symbol is of similarity. So the quadrilateral ABCD is similar with quadrilateral PQRS, and this is the symbol of similarity. Okay, so again similar figure means what then? Two polygons having the same number of sides are similar if first condition is their corresponding angles are equal, and second condition their corresponding sides are in the ratio. Okay, so if first condition is satisfied only and second condition is not satisfied, then again we cannot say that these two figures are similar with each other, because we need both the conditions. Okay, so both the condition must be satisfied here. So this is all about our similar figures. So come to our next exercise 6.1. Okay, see again this line segment, and this line segment is of measure 3 centimeter, and this line segment is of measure 6 centimeter. Again these two figures are similar because they have same shape but they do not have same size. Okay, so these two figures are, because its size is 3 centimeter and this line segment have the size of 6 centimeter. So these two figures are similar. Okay, but if you are considering this side of 3 centimeter and the circle of radius 3 centimeter, these two figures are similar? Obviously not, because their shape are different. Okay, this is line segment and this is our circle, so these two figures are not similar figures. Okay, so these two figures are not similar. Okay, so remember this thing. Okay, these two figures are not similar because this is our line segment and this is our circle, so these two figures are not similar figures. Okay, now come to our next exercise 6.1. Okay, so fill in the blanks using the correct word given in brackets. Okay, so words are given to us and we have to fill these brackets with correct option. Okay, so first example is all circles are congruent or similar. Okay, so two options are given to us, congruent or similar. So all circles are congruent? Obviously not. We cannot say there that the all circles have the same radius. Okay, all circles have same radius. Okay, so all circles means they are all. So this is our first circle. This is second circle. If you are going to consider this is first circle, so these all circles are congruent? No, obviously not. They have different shape. Okay, so all circles are not congruent. They are similar, but these are similar. Okay, so all circles are similar. So our correct option is what? Similar, because we cannot say that they are congruent because we don't know they have different. They have same size. Okay, so all circles are similar. Then second is all squares are, again all squares are similar. Okay, because we don't know their size are the same or different, so all squares are similar again. All, then again all similar, isosceles and equilateral, two options are given here. All triangles are similar. Okay, so see, all equilateral triangles are similar. Okay, because equilateral triangle have same shape. Okay, so all equilateral triangles are similar. Then fourth one is two polygons of the same number of sides. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if. Okay, so this is our definition of similarity of similar figures. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are, you know very well, their corresponding angle must be equal. Okay, so here correct option is equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, are in the ratio or they are proportional. So here the correct option is proportional. Okay, so now question number 2, give two different examples of pair of similar figures and non-similar figures. Okay, so give the example similar figures. You know very well, you can take the example of squares. Okay, but having different shape, similar figures having, so you can take the example of square here. Okay, but having different sides. Okay, their measure must be different. Okay, and non-similar figures means the example we have already taken the example of line segment and circle. Like this, you have to take the other examples of yourself. Okay, and these state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. Okay, so these two quadrilaterals are similar. Okay, obviously if you are obviously these two quadrilaterals are not similar. Why they are not similar? Because they have different shape. Okay, so this is our parallelogram. Okay, or we can say that rhombus, and this is our square. Okay, this is our square. These two figures having different shape, and that's why these two figures are not similar with each other. Okay, so this is all about our exercise 6.1. Try to solve yourself and send me the photos. Thank you.